In this video, I'll detail how to disable Siri on Digital Crown. So if you have an Apple Watch and you just press Digital Crown like this, then you should see the Siri wake. Now you can disable this function from your Digital Crown from waking the Siri each time you press and hold it. So here, I'll show you how to turn off press Digital Crown to wake Siri or turn on Siri on Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn off or disable press Digital Crown to wake Siri on Apple Watch is just press Digital Crown once to go to the app list from the watch face and click on settings. Now scroll down until you get to Siri, then click on it. Once you select Siri, you should see press Digital Crown enabled. If this is enabled and you go ahead and press your Digital Crown, then you should see the Siri wake. But if you disable the Digital Crown like this, then go ahead and press Digital Crown, then the Siri no longer wake by pressing the Digital Crown on your Apple Watch. So that's all you need to do to disable Siri from waking whenever you press the Digital Crown on your Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.